explain myself. Louisiana, murder on the beat. Talk for y'all to cut up to, you know.
Today's Thursday. You guys are seeing this tomorrow. Today's the day of it being recorded. I have nothing planned, but I have to be consistent. Housekeeping matters. If you guys received a message from me on Instagram, that wasn't me. Cause like first I was on my Instagram account and I saw it was behaving weird. So I was like, oh, probably Instagram a glitch. I'm come off there. When they come on phone, I'm going on WhatsApp. Like my friend send me something and say, what is? No, me start first. I'm gonna say, what do you mean, what is? I am a very posty person, so what is? I'm gonna look. Me send her something on Instagram. I'm go on Instagram. But girl, I go, but girl, deactivate. Every minute Instagram I tell me say, oh, page expired. Cool. I was oh my god. You know what, Trevor? I'm not gonna so I'm messed up. I'm not bad. First, I go on Instagram. I think Instagram did a bit weird. So that me just feel that, but then I move from oh, I'm probably on Instagram after. I have no flipping idea. You know, I just go on Instagram and see them send message to fuck. When I go on Instagram, like the second or third, fourth, fifth time, I see say, a particular person receive a message from me. Chat, I didn't lose it in ya. Come and say, damn bitch, I got things say. Me, I think them. Or, damn bitch, I got things say. Oh, Patricia, look them up. I don't. If you still watch my video, I promise you I don't. I'm going on Instagram and see that name that come up. A piece of anger. Put it up on my body, you see. My almost get fits in here. But I deactivated that account. I make one new account last night. If I want to follow me on Instagram, what's my new account name? I'm trying to deactivate. If I could have deactivated myself last night, I do it one time I see my message there. But I still have one message there. And it's no, trust me, it's not no shade. It's shade. Well, I like the beach, and that's a very strong terminology to use. That's a very strong. I despise that little girl. Why should I little girl? She's a people for. Actually, stop it. Get so ill. But anyways, I despise that little girl because of emotional trauma. Yeah, we're at the age of a big I give people emotional trauma. That's very hypocritical coming from me. Let me stop. But yeah, we're gonna get ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna be lip. Let's try it on the same like it. And I'm gonna like it. This is my blouse. Hi, if you're seeing this, you say, oh, no blouse that, yeah, your blouse. Yeah. Whenever I'm wearing look at it, I go in my outfit, so I say, oh, come on. So yeah, this is not my blouse. This is my friend's blouse. So before she come back later, I said, oh, Patrice, where I clothes them? Maybe myself. I'm friend clothes. We're going to bed and get ready. All I do is try to my voice is nothing when I scream and I fall out. Ready to go on the road. We're going to St. Thomas. But keep it on that already. Yeah. And also the fit. I know the fit. I don't know the fit. My French shirt. I'm gonna go on a couple of fit. Check this out. Anyways, man, annoy. My eat the tripod I can up here so hard to maneuver. But anyways, my French shirt, pants and crocs. You see Patrice in a one crocs. Hi guys, so this has been on the market for so long and I'm going to taste it. What's this? I don't like it. I stretch my hand and my crew just goes up. I got food. I went back to the cafe where I bought matcha. This is like a refresher, but they call it fizzy pop and it's actually good. And I buy some pastry. Yeah. The guy remember. Hi chat. So this is like the holiday. This is a Friday actually, and we're having a little issue. First of all, I can't export my video because Capcom won't allow me to export my video, and I have to pay. I'm a broke, so I'm gonna try to get somebody to pay for me. Someone probably see this on a Saturday, or probably Friday night, if I get somebody to pay for it for me today. But I didn't do much for that day. I just came to St. Thomas. I'm gonna go buy refresher at the new cafe. I love that cafe so much. Like their shit is good. I bought this pastry thing and I was like, that was good. Like it was so moist. I don't like coconut things, but trust that was like spectacle. Is it spectacle? Spectacular. That was very very good. And then after that, I never do much. There's the drink that I tried in the video. But you think that something tastes good. It don't taste good, chat. I don't like it. I don't like it. It tastes odd. Very, very, very odd. Okay? Like very, very, very odd. Um I haven't scrapbooks yet because my way on the things them to be printed. So like there's not much. And this was like a quick video to stay consistent, and even then I still won't be able to stay consistent because I'm not allowed to export my shit. Why? Because I feel like the people in the future I'm gonna pay for them, but I'm broke, I'm not the money, so I'm gonna try to get somebody to pay for me. But did you guys know that CapCut PC, if I want to use it on my laptop I have to buy Pro, but if I want to use it on my phone now I have to buy standard, and standard cheaper than Pro. Why why what are the limitations? Are you trying to rob me? A college student? But yeah, someone says you're going to pay for Pro for me, so I will have it. But give me my shit. Like my videos are held captive. But yeah, see you guys next week. This will come up with a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. I don't know when, but I'm gonna see it that weekend. Okay? Promise. I'm gonna see it that weekend here. But yeah, all is well, all is good. I lie, but for the sake of online present, all is well, all is good. See you guys next week.